Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ksenia. I make videos for people who are going through the family green card process. I'm not an attorney. My videos are based on public information, my own experience, and the experience of my subscribers. And the purpose of my channel is to give you guys the confidence to go through this process completely on your own. USCIS made the Form I-131 application for travel document available online now for adjustment of status applicants. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that before this recent development, applicants for adjustment of status could only apply for advanced parole through I-131 as well as EAD, employment authorization document, through I-765 by paper together with their I-485. But a few months ago, USCIS made I-765 available for adjustment of status applicants. And a couple of days ago, they also made the advanced parole application available for adjustment of status applicants. I do quickly want to go over some pros and cons of this method. So the pros of this method is that you can easily do it in your online USCIS account. You do not have to print out the form and the supporting documents. You can upload them all. There is a reduced fee. So the traditional paper filing fee for I-131 is $630. But if you do it through the online USCIS account, you get a $50 discount. The cons of this method is that you still have to download and fill out the PDF version of this form. You can't do it directly online by answering questions in your account. You still have to fill out the PDF version of this form. However, you don't have to actually physically sign it, so you don't have to print anything. You can just upload it, and I will show you how to do that as we go. And the other con of doing it this way is that you are required to have an I-485 receipt because the online application process will require you to have the I-485 receipt number. This is good for people who already sent their I-485 and got a receipt. So if you don't have a receipt yet, this is not the method for you. So first, sign into your online USCIS account. Next, file a form online. Choose the form. Answer the following questions. Are you applying on behalf of someone else? We will answer no, because the person who is requesting advanced parole is the person who is supposed to fill out this form. Where is the applicant located? For advanced parole, we are inside the United States. And then select the application type. And we're going to select this one, advanced parole pending form I-485. Start form. Next, you can read all of this at your own time. Okay, first, they're going to have you confirm the eligibility category. Like I said, adjustment of status applicants fall under this first eligibility category, pending form I-485. Next, here is where you will upload your I-131 PDF. Download the form I-131 from its page. I always recommend that you download and fill it out in Adobe Acrobat Reader on your computer. You can do it for free. You do not need to purchase any subscriptions with Adobe. You can use the free version. You don't have to sign up for anything. And if you're interested in the actual form I-131 guide, I already have it available on my channel with this new version. Do not get confused by this notice that says I-131 submissions requesting an EAD are not being accepted via PDF. This does not apply to family-based adjustment of status applicants or general adjustment of status applicants. This only applies to specific people who have answered a question about EAD on this form. So you can ignore this message. So I will show you what can happen first if you upload an incorrect I-131. So for example, let's choose a form that is, for example, incomplete. So it's missing information. You will get a processing message. If you're missing anything in your form, they will let you know. In order for the online application to accept it, you need to make sure that you have this box checked off. Number 5, advanced parole. and type in the correct receipt number from your form I-485. And also make sure that you only select one eligibility or application type. So now, as you can see, if there are no issues with your form, you should get a green message that says status complete. Click next. You will need to upload a 2x2 passport style photo of yourself. You don't have to get it professionally done. You can take it on your smartphone if you're confident in your ability to do so. If you have any questions about what this photo is supposed to look like, you can go to the Department of State's website, and on their site you will see their passport photo requirements. They will show you exactly what it should look like. So use this as your guide if you would like to take a photo yourself. Once you upload your photograph here, click next. Next, you will need to upload a photo identity document. Usually for most applicants, it's the biographical page of your passport, or if you already have your EAD, you can use that. You can use your driver's license. Next, if you have any additional evidence to support your application, you can upload it here. Usually, there is nothing for most people to upload, but some ideas of what are some other things that you may want to include here are a scanned copy of your I-485 receipt. And then if you have ever held any other travel documents in the past, but if you really have nothing to upload or clarify, you can click next and ignore this yellow message. You will be then taken to the review and submit page. They will tell you if there are any warnings with your application, if anything is missing, your filing fee here. They will have you review your answers here. The last page is the signature page before it takes you to the payment page. Clicking that you have read and understand the declaration. Typing in your name here will serve as an electronic signature in your application. They will process your signature and they will show you what it looks like in your application. So click on this. This is your filled out application. You will then see that the electronic signature was added to your electronic application right here with a USCIS stamp. So click that you have reviewed your signature, click next, and here is where you will be prompted to pay and submit your application. You will be directed to a separate page where you will be paying this fee for your advanced parole, and you must pay it with a US-based bank account. I hope that you found this video useful. Let me know if you have any additional questions, and also I'm very interested to know about your experience with this form. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys in my next videos. Bye!